The captain's got a unique feature which has been customized for this yacht. It happens to be a convertible boat. So if you can see, this opens up and the shade goes across, but also the captain was saying that this whole window opens up now as well. So you can have nice fresh air coming through, and you don't find that on every Azimut of this class. It's a custom feature.
We only have 2 rules in Alkyone. One, you have to be safe, and then you have to be with a smile on your face.
Very nice.
Besides that, everything else is perfect.
Yeah, as long as you can achieve both, you're happy. So if you want a boat that's flexible and relaxed, give us a call. We can put you on this one, and the captain will take great care of you. And as he said, just make sure you're safe, make sure you're smiling, and you have a great week.
It's fast, it's elegant, and we have a lot of toys. And the stability. We have seakeeper stabilizers, both cruising and underway, and the boat is perfectly still, even in up to 30 knots of cruising. It was built in 2017.
Yep.
It's 23.5 meters. The refit is 2025. Everything you see is brand new. The teak, the wood, the sunbeds, the living areas, everything was refitted. The marble.
Complete 2025
Yes,
refit.
yes, yes. All the boat is divided into zones. You can operate each one individually or all together.
Fantastic.
Or for different users.
Nice, so everyone can have their own space.
Most of them don't expect what we can provide for this size of vessel, and most of the time we exceed their expectation based on the toys, the cuisine, the chef is very experienced. Most of the time families, but we are also party boat.
Okay.
We can accommodate everyone.
Some boats will have an age limit. Some boats will say if your kids are, under 10, they can't come on board. And often on a yacht vacation, on a yacht charter, people want to do both, no? People want days where it's quieter, just relaxing, and then they also want to be able to party as well.
Fonisi. It's below Naxos. It's very remote, it's not very affected by the tourism industry, so you can experience, the Greek lifestyle and the culture. It has very few permanent residents. When you are walking down the street, they will talk to you, get to know you, treat you with something like your family. Brokers provide safety and guests with references most of the time.
When you get in touch with us, we know what we're talking about. We've seen all of the yachts, we know the people, and these are personal connections that we make with the yachts that we're recommending you. So please get in touch with us. We go to all of these shows, and as a result, we know the yachts, and we know the crews, and we know the locations exceptionally well.